Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dart programming language tutorial. As a part of Dart's control flow statements, we are going to learn Dart's if-else statement in this tutorial. So let's get started. In if-else statement, if the condition of if statement is true, then the statements of if block will be executed. Otherwise, statements of else block will be executed. So here we have a syntax. We have if condition, then we have statement inside if block, then we have else statement, and inside that we have statements of else block. So if the condition is true, then the block of if statement will be executed, and if the condition is false, then simply statements of else block will be executed. So let's understand the flow diagram of if else statements. So when we run our program, so if go inside the condition of if statements, and if it's true, so it will execute the statements of if block, and then our program will be terminated. And if the condition is false, then it will simply go inside the else statement and it execute the statements of else block, and then our program will be terminated. So let's understand it with the help of one example. So let's write a program to find out whether a candidate is eligible for voting or not. So we will be taking input from user this time also. So let's have the same code here also. Print enter your age. So let's take age in number variable. So we will have stdin dot read line sync method. So let's import this package. You see here it's imported. Now let's convert this number to integer. Let's take int age is equal to int dot pass number dot to string. Now we come to our if block. If age is greater than 18, so we will simply print you are eligible for voting. Now we will go inside else block. If the age is not greater than 18, so simply we will print you are not eligible for voting. So let's save this program and run it. Enter. So it's asking enter your age. So I'm entering here 23. Let's hit the enter button again. So it's saying you are eligible for voting. So let's run this program and try to put age less than 18. So I'm running it again. It's asking enter your age. So I'm giving here as 10. Let's enter again. It's saying you are not eligible for voting. So please find the GitHub link for this example in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.